welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's apricot and coconut rice cooked in the Tefal Cook4Me. This is vegan, it's gluten-free, it's absolutely delicious, and it's so easy you won't believe it. With just a few ingredients, let's get started. We've got 2 cups of arborio rice, sometimes called pudding rice. We have a cup of dried apricots that we have just cut into quarters. That's about the size of them there. And there you go. We have a pinch of salt, just normal cooking salt. We have a sprinkle of cinnamon, good pinch of cinnamon. We have some apricot jam, and that's going to provide the sweetness for it. Following that, we have some coconut cream, a whole can of coconut cream. If you've got fresh coconut, all the better. I'm using the full fat variety, not the light variety here, and I'll make it an extra creamy, delicious dish. Okay, now just rinse that out with some water. 1 can, 2 cans. So the ratio is 2 cups of rice. These are 400 gram cans, so there's 1 can of the coconut cream and 3 cans of water. And into the Tefal Cook4Me on the pressure cooker function for 10 minutes. So that's just quick cooking for 10 minutes. Give it a stir around to make sure all of the ingredients are well incorporated. And in 10 minutes time, you're going to have gorgeous, creamy coconut rice full of plump, juicy apricots. It'll be delicious. Close and bolt the lid and press start. Okay, 10 minutes later, and it is well and truly cooked. We leave it sit and naturally release its steam for another 10 or 15 minutes, and that will really absorb all of that moisture back into that rice and back into those gorgeous apricots, which are dehydrated and they're fresh. And look what we've got. Isn't that delightful? It's thick and rich. If you're paying a fortune for little tubs of rice for your children to take to school, this has got no eggs, it's got no gluten, it's got no dairy. All it has is lots of delicious flavour. And look at the little apricots all spangled through there. And they've all, I'll show you what I mean, they're so soft, they've just gone right straight back into the dish. Isn't that delicious? Piping hot. If you wanted any sweeter, you could use a little bit of honey on it. Of course, that's not going to be vegan. You could use agave or rice malt syrup. Yummo. Serve it any way you like. Thanks for watching. Okay, now we're just going to put a little dollop of the apricot jam in on top of it with a couple of, this is just for texture, some other little pieces of the uncooked apricots. They'll be quite chewy in there. You can add nuts, but don't take that to school. And I've also got a little bit of, haven't got much of this left actually, a little bit of koyo. So we'll just stick that on top of there too. And that, when the fat melts, it'll go down into the dessert. And how delicious does that look? You can sprinkle some nuts on that. Can't take that to school, obviously. But this is really quite a luscious dessert. It's so creamy without any animal products in it whatsoever. And it tastes delicious. Thanks for watching.